Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the problem when Steam games are crashing on your Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First, let's ensure your graphics card driver is up to date guys, as this often fixes startup issues for games on your PC. If you use a NVIDIA graphics card, then I suggest using GeForce Experience application. And AMD users can make use of AMD Radeon software. Open up GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software. Click on this drivers tab. Click on check for updates. If any available updates listed over here, you just need to download and install it guys. After the installation finished, your drivers are up to date guys. So if you are using third-party antiviruses, you just need to temporarily disable it guys. You just need to, if you see any third-party antivirus in here, you just need to right click on it and I'll select exit guys. After doing it, and corrupted system files can be cause problems guys. To fix this, go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter. So this will take a moment to scan your Windows files and replace any with a working copy. After finishing this 100% complete, make sure you are running the latest Windows version guys. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it guys. Click on check for updates. If any available updates listed over here, you just need to update it guys. It may require you to restart your PC after updating it. These steps will reduce the chance of your Steam game crashing guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.